Well done for coming up with your own text. Now, what it's important to know is that when you're on an adventure game and you've got text to read, it's important to actually add in a pause to your program so that you can actually let them read without the program going wrong or sort of switching off or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is, above my variables, I'm going to actually type something new in. Okay, so above HP, above EXP, which are my hit points and my experience, I'm going to type in from time, and then I'm going to put import sleep. Just put in a space here. Import sleep. Okay, now that will allow me to put in a pause, and the time that I can do depends on how much time I think they need to read it. So anywhere that you need a pause, you can actually put in the code, which I'm going to show you now. So you'll see that it says there's quite a bit of writing. You find yourself in a cave, etc., etc. So what we need the computer to do, or the program to do, is to actually sleep for a period of time. All right. And with that sleep, we can put in the number of seconds that we want it to sleep. I'm going to say sleep. I'm going to put in 5.0. So that's going to be 5 seconds that the person gets to read that. We'll test it out and we'll see if that's enough time for them to actually read that piece of text. All right, so let's debug this. Let's make sure that it's going to work. Oops, let me just save it first. Okay, we'll say debug. And we'll see what happens. So adventurer's name, Arthur. And it gives me the time that I need to read it. Okay, the time has now stopped. So was that enough time, or do we need to increase it? If you feel that it needs to be increased, then I would like you to make the change up here. So obviously if it's 10 seconds, it would be 10.0. If it's 8 seconds, then it's 8.0, etc. Okay, so you decide how long this needs to actually sit and wait for that person to be able to successfully read the text.